So we're going to talk about Quavo. They beat quarterly estimates, also offered an upbeat subsequent quarter. Nevertheless, the stock was slightly down. Interesting fact about Quavo, they got roughly almost 50% of their sales from Apple. So as Apple goes, look for Quavo to go. All right, so this is the monthly chart, and the chart suggests price has found a bottom in this drop, two basing candles, and then the rally out. Monday starts the new month, and so this candle, although it does have a long wick on the top of the body, is considered an extended range green candle. We're going to call that monthly buyers at $67. All right, before we continue with the analysis, let's actually get into the news on the results. So shares jumped. This was pre-market after its third quarter earnings beat Wall Street estimates. For the fourth quarter of fiscal 2025, Quavo forecasts EPS of 90 cents to $1.10, above the consensus estimates of 86 cents, and projected revenue of $850 million, slightly ahead of the $849 million analysts expected. Here's what the CFO had to say. Grant Brown: Quavo exceeded the midpoint of their December quarter non-GAAP guidance in revenue, gross margins, and EPS, adding the company restructured its Android business, a move expected to lower operating expenses and improve gross margins in fiscal 2026. Company also divested its silicon carbide business after the quarter ended, aiming to achieve gross margins in the high 40 percentage points range during seasonally strong quarter for fiscal 26 and further improvement in its fiscal 2027. All right. Getting back to the charts, we're going to scroll down to the weekly chart. This was a massive extended range red candle. You'll see that this was a gap down on earnings. Price bottomed and started moving higher. So the week that just passed, we're going to say that we have a bearish engulfing candle, which signifies bearish sentiment. So it'll be interesting to see. Definitely, we're going to begin the week down because of what Trump tariffs announcements over the weekend is causing sell-offs, not only in equities but also cryptos. All right, but the weekly chart suggests when prices, as it continues to move higher, not to say it's not going to move higher, but we're probably going to move lower before we move higher. We're going to look for a target at that round hole psychological number at $100. Why? Well, that was the origin of the strong move down. All right, let's try to figure out a trajectory for price action. Here was that extended range red candle we saw on the weekly chart in the form of a gap down on earnings. All right, this extended range green candle, above average volume. We're going to say that there's daily buyers at this $74 level. And so here's what I'm looking for. There are no buyers in this candle here, right? The buyers are below. So here's what the charts are suggesting. A pullback before the next move, impulse move higher. Again, target that $100 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.